Hello friends, welcome again to your clip repository. That's the complete journey of a tornado's life cycle. That's one of the ways to stop a runway truck when the brakes fail. These tourists were driving on one of the most dangerous roads in the Himalayas.
Under the overhang, so Rinku's had to go ahead and scope out the heights so we can get through with a van. It's the narrowest piece of road we've been down. The drop to the river is estimate 2,000 feet. It's just completely... What do you reckon, Rob?
I'm no good. You reckon 2,000 feet? I believe it.
Absolutely the maddest road I've ever been down in my life.
Alright guys, I hope I was able to add a little joy to your day. See you in the next one.